Hello, welcome to Amazy. This video will help you understand how to study using the platform. We will mention signing up, where you will find your lessons, how to edit your profile information, what the lessons look like. Let's start. To sign up, open your browser and type in amazy.uk in the search bar or the address bar. Click on the first link. You can sign up using your Google profile if you have one. This is the fastest way. To sign up manually, click on the Sign Up button in the top right corner. Type in your name, email address and password. You will receive the verification email. Click on the link in it and then you can sign in. Now you're in. On the left, select Shared. This is where all the lessons that your teacher shares with you will be stored. You will only ever need to use this section of the platform. If you want to change your name, profile photo or email address, click on the circle in the top right corner. It will open your profile. Select Settings and make your changes. Don't forget to click Save before you close this window. When your teacher shares a lesson link with you, paste it in the address bar. It will have a unique code different for every such link. Open the link and the lesson will load. You can see your teacher's name here and on top of the page. The lessons on the platform are all interactive. You can check boxes, play audios and videos, type in your answers and other things. You can see some examples in the video. All audios can be slowed down or sped up. This is handy if you feel that the audio is too fast or too slow for you. If you make a mistake in a gap-filling exercise, click on it to reveal the correct answer. In multiple-choice exercises, you can see all answers by clicking on the box. In some exercises, your teacher may ask you to record your answer. Don't be daunted! You can always pause the recording to collect your thoughts. Listen to it again, delete it if you don't like it, and start from the beginning. In some writing exercises, you will have a word counter, which will help you track the amount of words you have written. Never forget to click Save in the top right corner before closing the window. Here you can see the lesson in the shared section of the platform. Soon you will have many lessons here. You can always go back to what you have already studied and revise. Nothing disappears and everything is stored in one place. So convenient! Good luck in your studies!